Are those dolls?
It was at this moment that he knew.
Let's go nation! Hit that like button. Help us reach 1,000 subscribers. Enjoy the video.
What's going on? Let's go nation.
Back on another video. We playing don't touch the scary button.
Guys, it's up to us not to press the scary button, okay? So guys, we're gonna give you 5 seconds to like, to comment,
And subscribe.
and subscribe.
Dark.
Hold on. So we started this intro right in the game, guys. What's going on? I can't see anything.
But I can see.
Oh, we got a friend request. Cool.
There's a light over there.
There's a light?
Yeah.
Ethan, do we have to go?
What is it?
Did you see something? I didn't see anything. Oh, let's go, Ethan.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Who's that loud noise?
Is that blood?
That look like blood.
Oh, it's an obby.
Nobody got to trust. Whoa, that's a knife.
I'm in front. Oh, no, no, no.
What?
It's getting hard.
But I got this. You can
got
do
it? Oh, guys, I failed.
I made it.
Good job, Ethan. That's what I'm talking about. So, guys, the scare is all up to us, okay? We do not want to press that. We do not want to press that horror button, okay, Ethan?
But,
Are you done?
Yeah.
Good job. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh.
Oh,
Is that parkour?
is it parkour? I don't.
That is parkour.
Did you hear that?
Yeah. I think that's something noisy.
Oh, I'm up here. I'm up here.
I'm trying to climb in there.
Oh, hey, you see me?
Yeah.
Hey, there I go, guys. Look,
Whoa.
this music is super scary. But let's go, nation. If you haven't subscribed already, I'm gonna need you to like. I'm gonna need you to comment.
And subscribe.
And subscribe. Hit that subscribe button for Let's Go, Ethan.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
So what was that? What was it? It wasn't that scary. Oh, did you press the button, Ethan?
Yeah.
You just pressed the
Nope.
button.
Nope.
You didn't?
Yeah. Somebody catch it.
Okay, all right. So I'm running with you.
Maze.
It is a maze. How do we get out of here? Oh!
What is?
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
I'm following you, buddy. Do you know the way out? Do you hear that, Ethan?
Yeah.
Maybe this way?
I do that run away.
I'm running away too. No, I'm out of here, guys. I'm running away. Oh no, dead end. What is chasing us? There is some. Okay.
Oh,
Somebody again?
right guy. Press it.
Someone pressed the button again?
Yeah.
How'd you get up there first time? Okay, I see you. Okay, I'm coming up.
The ladder is.
Oh!
What?
It took somebody out.
Yeah.
So guys, we are trying to figure out what is taking us out. I don't know what it is, but it looks. Do you see those dead bodies down there?
Yeah.
Dang, man. When this game gets 3,500 likes, he will release a new update. So we will wait on that update and let us know down below if you want a part 2.
Whoa.
Ooh.
There's an obby parkour.
This is an obby parkour? Alright, I'm following
And
you.
there's lava coming up.
There's lava's coming? Okay.
Yeah.
What is this with all these strange symbols? We don't know, but we're going to go ahead and climb it, okay? We're going to go ahead and climb it up.
Because the lava's coming.
The lava is coming?
Yeah.
And I do not want to get burnt up in that lava. Nope, not at all. No, sir. Look around, look around. Oh, the lava is coming. Can we go any higher? Look at me. I'm all the way at the top, okay? I'm not trying to get burnt by the lava.
Oh.
Oh. That was a close one.
Oh. Whoa. Who pressed it?
Who pressed the button?
I think you.
I didn't press the button. Did you guys press the button? Ethan, did our subscribers press the button?
Put the subscriber in.
I think you guys pressed the button. Okay, so we're in the elevator. going down.
Well, the whole... Come on. How does credit...
Oh, none of us survived.
Who is it?
We all fell down the elevator and got taken out. I don't know what happened. Was there a way to survive that? I don't know. I don't think there was. But guess what? Press that button.
I press it.
Oh, Snoop, who's that? You see him?
Oh, yeah.
You see those characters?
Yeah.
Oh, you know what? We gotta go over there. What are they doing? Are those dolls?
It was at this moment that he knew.
Go. Oh! Oh! You got stuck in them.
Wait.
Oh, they took me out. Ethan, you went inside there with me. I thought that was safe. Ethan, what are you gonna do? Can they come? Oh. Good job, Ethan. Whoa, you're so good at this game.
Yeah. I'm killing that game.
What is this? Oh, they're dancing.
I'm trying to sit there.
You trying to dance? Dance.
I can dance.
So it's like the coffin meme, guys. They're dancing with the... Guys, please don't press the button. Please don't. Who's that? Yo. Ethan, look at that pirate over there.
Who?
Somebody in green. You see that? You see that guy?
Somebody's green? That means there are zombies.
Oh, it's water. It's the wave.
Wow.
Where'd that wave come from? I didn't even see a wave, guys. But it's alright.
Whoa. Somebody press it.
Oh, snap. I'm leaving. I'm leaving. I'm out. I'm gone. I'm gone.
Oh, snap.
Nope.
I'm not going there.
You're not going anywhere? Where you going?
I'm going away.
Okay, me too. Oh, what's up, man? Let's go this way. Oh, the maze is breaking apart. The maze is literally falling. It's literally falling under our feet, guys. What do we do? What do we do, Ethan? How do we survive? What do we do, Ethan? How do we survive?
Well, we gotta go right there.
Okay.
That's sleeping here.
I wanted to freak out to see how Ethan would react. You did pretty well, Ethan.
Yeah.
So guys, we are feeling these scary obbies, okay? As we know, Halloween is getting closer and closer, Ethan. Are you ready for Halloween?
Yeah.
We are ready for Halloween. Comment down below what your costume will be.
My cousin will be Sonic.
Sonic? You want to be Sonic?
Yeah.
Whoa, what happened to that guy? Oh!
Who's that?
I don't know who that is, but he took everybody out, Ethan.
He took me, he took you.
Yeah, he took me, he took you, everybody out. We all got taken out. It's crazy.
But who survived too? Who survived?
I honestly don't think anybody survived that. That was pretty intense, Ethan.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think everyone got taken out.
Oh, I pressed it.
You pressed the button. I was about to say, who pressed that button? Okay, what are we doing now?
Oh.
Where do you want? Oh! It's Jason. Oh, look over there.
Come on.
What happened? You got stuck? He's down there.
There are two.
So somehow, guys, we entered into Jason's lair. He took us. Oh, these guys again? Oh, you know where I'm going. I'm going on top of that rock, okay? I do not want to get caught. What's up, girl? You here with us?
What's up, girl?
She's here with us, Ethan.
We say, come on, girl. You like me a little bit?
Ethan, you crazy. Though.
Yeah, I'm crazy.
You funny.
I'm funny.
Oh, it's dark for me. Whoa, where are we now? Do we go down that tunnel?
Don't know where the tunnel brings.
You go down the tunnel? I'm going on top of the tunnel, Ethan. I jumped on top of it because I want to survive. I don't trust the tunnel. I'm not going down. I don't see anything around us. Do you see anything? I don't see anything, guys. It's just...
I don't know.
Oh! Oh, no. He's a player. What? I was about to say, guys, a player. All right, I was about to be freaked out. I was about to be terrible.
Who's that? Who's that?
Okay, don't press the button, guys. Just don't press. What happens if we don't?
Come on.
What happens if we don't press the button? How do we get out this room? I don't know how to get. Oh, okay. The fake window. We got the fake TV. We can't press anything.
Where the TV at?
Oh!
Whoa.
Did you see that?
What is it?
Guys, did you see that?
What is it?
Oh! Look at the door.
There's a ghost?
Yeah, something like that. Is he inside here with the... Was he on the bed? Oh, man. You know what? What is down here? Do we go down here? What is down here? Okay, let's try it. Let's go. Okay. A couple of dead bodies. Ooh. A couple of dead bodies. Did somebody die by that cart? Was it supposed to hit him or what? I don't know. Are we safe down here? What do you think, Ethan? Are we safe?
Yeah.
We made it. Okay. All right, guys. That was the don't press the horror button obby, Ethan.
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. We will see you in the next one. That is the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. We will see you in the next one. Bye. Peace. Peace.
Let's go, Nation. Hit that like button. Help us reach 1,000 subscribers. Thank you for watching.